and if some. The data we used previously are qualitative data. For tonight's class, I'll be using quantitative data. Quantitative data are data gotten from probably your research and they're in categorical ways, okay? And they are coded. And that's why we're calling them, we call such data quantitative because they are coded. They are not the actual at this way, they are coded. For instance, look at 5 from this cell. Look at 5. This is 4, this is 3, this is 2, this is 1. Okay? So I'm using these to explain data cleaning. At the introduction of this package, one of the things that was emphasized by the instructor is the art of data cleaning. I would say this is one of the crucial parts in data analysis, which can take a day, 2 days for you to clean up a data, for you to be able to have accurate data and precision. Okay, so I'll be using this quantitative data to explain how to perform data cleaning, how to add border to your cell, and how to also change text direction, how to hide and unhide your column, your row, how to insert new row, respectively. Okay. All right, let's continue for tonight's class. So, tighten up your bed, boot your system. Okay. Open your Microsoft Excel worksheet and follow suit. Okay, I've entered my data already, so you can just do that. All right. So now, if you look at this very, we have data entry, we have this. You notice that some of our data, our variable name, are hidden. Now, the first thing I'll be doing tonight is to change the text direction. Okay. We look at it in horizontal, but it can be changed. Let's do it this way. Let's select the affected cell. Selected. Now, under your home, come to your alignment, you see this, we call this orientation. Click on your drop down, okay, and click on vertical text. Double click on it, and then you see, okay, look at it. So the sentence, we now have them here. All right, okay. So we have this. I've changed the text direction for this. Look at this. Though some of my texts are still hidden. So let's check and click on text wrap under alignment. So, okay, can you see? So my text, my variable are now showing. They are now appearing very well. Okay, I have, okay, all right. Now you can format, change the text, the font style. We've done that in the previous class. This time it's New Roman. And decide to add color to it. Yeah, but I don't want this color, so that is that. I can decide to maybe add text color. I don't want this. All right, now I've changed the text direction. I want it to be this way, and I've shown you how to perform a phrasing of header. I'm not going to do that tonight. Okay, now to insert row, you click on where you have your numbers here. Okay, then you right click, then an option will appear. You click on insert. Now we now have a new row at the top of this. So let's type in this quantitative quantitative analysis. Okay, now we have this. I guess I can centralize this. I can change the font style to this. I can increase the font size from here too. Okay, now we have this. Now I want to perform data cleaning. I'm showing you how to use filter for your data cleaning. The reason why is for you to ensure if your data possess the actual attributes of data quality demanded by you. Okay, so to do that, let's go of select. Okay, I don't need, okay, let me just do this. Okay, Then you come to your under your home as well. Come to editing group, okay, and click on this drop down. Click on filter. Okay, let's check. So you notice you have filter in all of it. Okay, since this is moving, can we just freeze? Let's freeze the heading, okay, so that we have that. Okay, you come to your view. You still remember these? You come to these. You click on this. All right. Is it okay this way? I don't want this. I didn't do it. It means you didn't get it right. So let's come back and click on freeze. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Let's click freeze panel. Okay. Let's check what we are. It's still moving right. So I don't want this. So let's come back on freeze panel. Okay. Let's do this. Let's scroll a little bit. Let's do this. Okay. All right. This is not what we're looking for. Okay, on freeze. Let's do this way. Let's do this. Let's check. Okay, let's see. Let's go. Okay, is it moving? No. Okay, so let's do it this way. Probably. All right, this will be better. Okay, let's do it. Let's go. Freeze panel. Okay, so we have this. It's okay. Now we want to check. We want to check. We want to check for. We want to check for the cells that have issue. Okay, I want to check for the cells that have issue. So to do that, let me adjust these a little bit. Let me adjust this a little bit. Let's go. Close. Let's close that a little. Let's close. Okay, let's check and see how it is. All right. Let's close a little bit. So let's check now. Okay, still very big. It's still very big. Okay, let's still adjust. Let's adjust. Okay, got this. Let me show you how to close this. Okay, let's go. Let's check. Okay, let's do this. Okay, on freeze panel. So it means what we close was this. Okay, let's check. Let's check these. Let's check these. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is just colon freeze. Okay, I will turn this to my normal horizontal. Is that okay? So we're able to perform our, let's go this way. Yes, you can see in this way. All right, so let's go ahead now. Now we want to perform data cleaning using filter. And once you click on this, you see all the values that we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can glance at a go. Okay, so it means all are they are all correct. Let's come here. Look at this, they are all correct. Okay, look at this, they are all correct. Look at this, there's something wrong. We have NA not available. So look at this here. So it means there's something wrong with this column. Now, is either you delete or you replace. Is that okay? Now, I've checked that this column. Let's check this other. We have it too. Let's check this. We have the zero. We have zero here, which is wrong. We're supposed to work with 1, 2, 5. Okay. So now, to be able to do that, then we can do find and replace. Is that okay? So let's do this. You see, we come to find, click on replace. All right. Actually, look at it. Find what? Start with 0. Replace it with 1. That according to this analysis, I want my zeros to replace with 1. Okay. Okay, he has done that. Okay, let's go again with this. NA. Find and replace all with 1. Yes. Okay. So I've done that. So now if you check, let's go ahead and check. Let's go ahead and check. You notice you won't see 0 or NA again. Okay. You see it. You see it. You see it. Okay, now this will definitely help you when you use Google Form to collect data, and the data you export or report collect from it is in string format, and you have to run a numeric analysis, a quantitative analysis. Now what you just need to do is to search for those variables, probably SA or also be your string variable, and then you replace it with your number, the the number either 5 or 4. Okay, you click on find and replace, and your data will be sorted and it will be worked upon. What is wrong with these? All of these, okay, these, okay. All right, let's leave these for now. This is it, the same formula it is. A11, A10. It's supposed to be A10, right? Okay, it's correct, sir. All right. So now we have this. Okay, because of the replacement we did, that was what really happened. Okay, so we have this. So you have to be careful. Check through your data very well. Look at another one here. Supposed to be 820. It replaced. So it means you have to be careful. You have to check through the column to be very sure so that you will not mix up your data sheet. So you can do that column by column. You select this and click on find. Is find and replace just this column. Okay, affected. Look at it. To search by rows, search by columns. Okay, so we're searching by columns. So this is what we are looking for. This is the sheet. In case you have a formula, you can do that here. You enter the formula and then you find. Okay, now what we have just checked is how to find and replace, how to clean up our data. Okay, now basically I also want to add border to it. Now to do that, told you that you select the environment, the worksheets range, the range, and then you click, you select any of your choice. I'm using this for now. Okay, look at it. So I've selected my border and I've used a filter for it. Okay, now how do I hide? In case you want to hide a column that you feel like it's not necessary for this analysis, you can highlight from here. I want to hide this column. You right click and you click on hide. Now you notice that the column is no longer there. Okay, the same thing. For instance, those cells that we had issues NA0, in case you don't want to probably replace those variables with zeros and one, you can decide to hide the row generally. Okay, so let's assume we want to hide our rows. You click on this row, you right click, you see hide, and the row is hidden already. Okay, now how do you unhide? You go to where same place, Move your cursor to the middle where you are, where you notice there's a space. Look at it, there's a space. Now go to that place. Make sure your cursor is black. Okay, showing two arrow facing up and down, and then right click. Then click on hide. Okay, see it's not opening, so repeat again. All right, it's out already. Okay, now you come here for the color, the same thing on hide. Okay, so we have considered how to hide and unhide, how to insert, and how to draw it. To delete, the same approach. You right click, you see, and then you delete. If you have to delete your row, the same thing with your column. Highlight, click on it from this, right click, and you see delete. Now the same thing here. If I'm to delete this column, you click, die, you right click, and then you click on delete, and that row and the column will be deleted. Oh, for tonight, this is where we'll be stopping. We've considered data cleaning. Now, next class, we'll be looking at other functions, other things you can do on Excel. Please do well to subscribe to the YouTube channel and as well try to share this video. Thank you.